tone your body in less than 10 minutes. If you don't have elastic bands, you can still do it. If you subscribe, don't forget to activate the notifications bell so you don't lose any of my videos. Did you know that with elastic bands you can mold and tone your body very quickly? You'll be surprised. Try it with me. We will work out arms, back, chest, legs and buttocks in a very simple way. You will see. Also, if you combine my YouTube routines with my monthly calendar, you will see how you get incredible results for your body and you will be invited to join our private Facebook group we have. Download your calendar now at fanfit.com/workout. We will wait for you. Get some elastic bands and here we go! This routine consists of 5 exercises. Each one we will do it for 30 seconds and the complete routine we will do in 3 sets. Today my friend Silu accompanies me and I want to congratulate her for her positive attitude in her fight against breast cancer. This video is for you, Silu. Let's get started with the routine. First exercise. Place the elastic band on the ankles and jump doing a squat. Here we go. Come on, jump with us. Back straight.
You show me the ropes, I hold you tightly. Never let you go, I let you
Hold on.
There's something about you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, yeah.
Well done. Second exercise. Again, we take the elastic band and we put it on our hands and open and close. Here we go.
Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess
Arms at chest height.
I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger. Cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Didn't catch your name over this crowd.
Back straight.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Come on, follow us.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important to be your name.
3, 2,
Girl, you
1.
should wear a name tag.
Well done. Third exercise. We try the elastic band with one foot and on the other side we grab with our hand. Here we go. Store everything you can. Back straight. Come on, go on. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Change sides. Ready? Here we go. Pull the band. Come on, hold on. A little more. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Come on, fourth exercise. Support against the wall or use a chair and move the leg sideways. Here we go. Leg stretched. Lift up your leg. Come on, hold on. 3, 2, 1. Change sides. Here we go. Come on, hold on. Follow a rhythm. A little more. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Fifth exercise. We work out our glutes by stretching one foot and then the other. Here we go. We should feel pressure on the glutes. Full with strength. Come on, hold it. 3, 2, 1. Change side. Here we go. Come on, pull from your waist. Contract the glutes. A little more. 3, 2, 1. Well done. How are you? Great? Second set? Yes, really? Come on, Silu. Here we go. Place the elastic band on the ankles and jump doing a squat. First exercise. Here we go. Come on, jump with us. Back straight.
You show me the ropes, I hold you tightly. Never let you go.
Hold on.
There's something but you, baby, and I can't get enough.
3, 2, 1.
Enough. Ooh,
Well
yeah.
done. Second exercise. Again, we take the elastic band and we put it on our hands and open and close. Here we go.
Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home.
Arms at chest height.
I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger. Cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Didn't catch your name on the
Back
dance crowd.
straight.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Come on, follow us.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important to be your name.
3, 2, 1.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Well done. Third exercise. We try the elastic band with one foot and on the other side we grab with our hand. Here we go. Store everything you can. Back straight. Come on, go on. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Change sides. Ready? Here we go. Pull the band. Come on, hold on. A little more. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Come on, fourth exercise. Support against the wall or use a chair and move the leg sideways. Here we go. Leg stretched.
Let the sky fall.
Lift up your leg.
Let the sky fall.
Come on, hold on.
Let the sky fall.
3, 2, 1.
Let the sky
Change
fall.
sides. Here we go. Come on, hold on.
Let the sky fall.
Follow a rhythm.
The sky fall.
A little more.
Let the sky fall.
3, 2, 1. Well done. Fifth exercise. We work out our glutes by stretching one foot and then the other. Here we go. We should feel pressure on the glutes. Full with strength. Come on, hold it. 3, 2, 1. Change side. Here we go. Come on, pull from your waist. Contract the glutes. A little more. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Third set. Silu, are you ready? Yes? Then let's get to it. First exercise. Here we go. Come on, jump with us. Back straight.
You show me the ropes, I hold you tightly. Never let you go, I'll let you
Hold
down.
on.
There's something but you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you
3,
give me, and I can't
2,
get enough.
1.
Ooh, yeah.
Well done. Second exercise. Again, we take the elastic band and we put it on our hands and open and close. Here we go.
Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's
Arms to chest high.
I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger. Cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Didn't get your
Back
name
straight.
on this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Come on, follow us.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important to be your name.
3, 2,
Girl, you should
1.
wear a name tag.
Well done. Third exercise. We try the elastic band with one foot and on the other side we grab with our hand. Here we go. Store everything you can. Back straight. Come on, go on. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Change sides. Ready? Here we go. Pull the band. Come on, hold on. A little more. Come on, fourth exercise. Support against the wall or use a chair and move the leg sideways. Here we go. Leg stretched.
Let the sky fall.
Lift up your leg.
Let the sky fall.
Come on, hold on.
Let the sky fall.
3, 2, 1.
Let the sky fall.
Change sides. Here we go. Come on, hold on.
Let the sky fall.
Follow a rhythm.
The sky fall.
A little more.
The sky fall.
3, 2, 1.
Let the sky
Well done. Fifth exercise. We work out our glutes by stretching one foot and then the other. Here we go. We should feel pressure on the glutes. Full with strength. Come on, hold it. 3, 2, 1. Change side. Here we go. Come on, pull from your waist. Contract the glutes. A little more. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Thank you, Silu, and congratulations to all of you who have accompanied us. You will see how if you are consistent with this routine, you will notice a change. And now tell me, what other routines do you want me to do? Answer me below this video or on any of my Instagram photos to take your requests into consideration when making future videos for you. I wait for you. Now keep working out with more exercises. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, share it on your WhatsApp or Facebook groups, and subscribe to my channel to receive more routines.
I just can't give up. I just can't give up.